Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at the top 3 stocks to buy under 10 bucks. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys do that. So now let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So stock number 1 is SoFi Technologies. Now SoFi Technologies is a fintech company. The company itself it competes with every single, bank, stockbroker. This company has an app and they pretty much have banking services, so you can get a debit and credit card. You guys can get savings accounts. You guys can invest in crypto. You guys can invest in the stock market. But where they make a bunch of their money is actually off of loans. Loan refinancing is super, super important with them, and student loans. And I think one of the issues we've seen with this company, you'll notice we've seen just general sell-off. And the reason why we've seen, sell-off in general from this company is because all the incentives not to pay student loans right now. Right now, the government is not pretty much mandating people paying back their student loans as of right now. And this is where SoFi makes a bunch of their money, is off student loan payment. They make money off that interest. And anytime you have that pause, you're going to have the stock selling off just because they're not bringing in as much revenue. So for me, I think that this is a fantastic pick here. The company is increasing their revenue quarter after quarter. They're almost doubling their active users every single year. This is an absolute powerhouse of a company. And yeah, it's going to be a little volatile, but if you guys are, if you understand basic technical analysis, you'll notice we have resistance up here at 8, support down here pretty much underneath 450, or we can even classify underneath $5. So anytime this thing dips down under $5, this represents a massive opportunity to buy the stock at a very, very affordable price. And this is a good option for a swing trade opportunity. I think looking back in the next 2 to 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought more of SoFi. Not to mention the average analyst price target for this stock is right near and around 10 bucks a share. So even if I'm wrong about the stock hitting 20, 30 bucks, and these analysts are right, we're still looking at a return of well over, 30, 40%, which is awesome. So stock number two, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe before we jump into it. Do it right now. All right, stock number 2 is Palantir, PLTR. And I know Palantir did cut their workforce, and we do have that general downward trend. But what we see here in the short term is some fantastic support and resistance lines, and the company is killing it on a variety of different things. The company brought in, $508 million, massive upside, and they secured several contracts with the U.S. Army, the U.S. Navy, and this is a software data and open AI company that brings in a ton of money. AI software, I think we're getting more and more dependent on it each and every day, especially tech in general. And that's where this money makes that's where this company makes a bunch of money off of. I think that this is a fantastic pick. This one is going to be a little more volatile than SoFi, just because of kind of the market condition we're in right now. The stock has gone from $9 to 45, up and down. But just basic support and resistance, we have some resistance, pretty much above 9. Support is below 7. You guys can make some textbook swing trades off of this stock here. All right, stock number 3. Stock number three for me is NIO. NIO. This is the electric car manufacturer based out of China here. You notice we have this tendency to get some buying pressure near and around this 870, pretty much 870. We can even call it under 950. As of right now, the stock is trading right on that support line. So this could bring an opportunity to invest, buy in at this dip, near and around that support, and sell it at this high here at 12. This would be a good opportunity for a possible swing trade. Not to mention, NIO is the Tesla of China. They bring in a ton of money. They have a whole bunch of fantastic products rolling out. The only issue we've seen from NIO is actually the supply chain. They've had some production problems. They plan on fixing that for 2023 and 2024. So I think that this would be a great option to invest into the electric car sector and, not just be so focused on Tesla, but be focused on other companies that are doing fantastic stuff as well. I think that this is a fantastic opportunity right now in general to invest in a ton of companies that carry a lot of potential. These companies we talked about today are obviously companies that are going to be risky. And should you invest in them? I would rather see you guys invest into more stable companies before you invest in NIO, Palantir, or SoFi. I would rather see you guys buy shares of Apple or Microsoft or Google or even the S&P 500 before, build up a base of safe financial investments and then move into the more riskier companies like these ones, SoFi, Palantir, and NIO, guys. So that is my plan. That is my mindset, and that is my recommendations for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. Just a shorter video today. I just got back on vacation, so we're taking everything nice and easy. I'm literally on probably 2 hours of sleep, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.